It's time for some more synonyms. Synonyms, words that mean about the same thing. And this one is going to be called Synonyms Photo Fun Deck because if we were in person, we would be doing this with a deck of cards. But we do have an iPad app, and that is what we will use. So I will share my screen. Okay, so here we go. Okay.
This gift is for you. Gift means the same as present. Box.
Okay, so what does it mean the same thing? And I think we've probably had this one before, so this one shouldn't be too tough. Present. Okay.
The clothes are in a heap. Heap means the same as pile, basket.
Okay. Well, the clothes are in a basket, but basket and heap don't mean the same thing. A heap of something is a pile.
Maggie tries to build a tower with blocks. Build means the same as topple, construct.
Okay, think about construction crews. They build things, don't they? So, build and construct are synonyms.
Jeremy uses his bank to save his coins.
Okay.
Save means the same as identify, collect.
Okay. On a different synonym video we did, we knew that save was a synonym for keep. So now we're going to learn another one. So another thing that would mean save or keep is collect.
Leaving Grandma's house makes Courtney weep. Weep means the same as cry, whine.
Okay. In another video, we saw that sob was a synonym for cry, and sob was some very loud crying. Okay. Weep is also a synonym for cry.
Miss Laura is our favorite instructor. Instructor means the same as teacher, parent.
Well, she looks like a teacher to me. Yes, usually at the college level, they call their teachers instructors. Instructor and teacher are synonyms.
The sofa is comfortable. Sofa means the same as chair, couch.
Well, I got one of those and I call it a couch.
Lena can buy a drink from Joni. Buy means the same as purchase, taste.
Okay. She's probably going to taste it, but first she's got to purchase it. Purchase and buy are synonyms.
I like to relax on the beach. Relax means the same as rest, play.
The pictures can help a lot here. Looks to me like he is resting. Rest and relax.
The baby learns to crawl by herself. Baby means the same as toddler, infant.
Okay, a baby and an infant are the same thing.
Wendy washes her hair. Washes means the same as dries, shampoos.
Okay, when you're washing hair, we refer to that as shampooing hair, and we use shampoo. Okay. I think we had this one, didn't we? I guess we're going to have it again.
Miss Laura is our favorite teacher. Teacher means the same as instructor, principal.
Teacher and instructor.
Have you ever seen such a dirty pig? Dirty means the same as filthy, brown.
Well, he is brown from the mud, but brown doesn't mean dirty. But filthy does. I think filthy is a fun word to say.
Manuel enjoys the taste of a juicy apple. Taste means the same as crunch, flavor.
Okay. He might hear a crunch if it's a crunchy apple, but the word taste means the same as flavor.
The ice cream is yummy. Yummy means the same as delicious, cold.
Okay. The ice cream is cold, but that's not what yummy means. Yummy means delicious, or it could be scrumptious or delicious. Just tastes yummy. All those. Okay. Think we kind of had this one, but here we go again.
Jeremy uses his bank to collect his coins. Collect means the same as save, count.
Oh, okay, yeah, we had it before where save was in the sentence and we picked collect. So yeah, he's going to use his bank to save it.
The clown acts silly. Silly means the same as sleepy, goofy.
Well, this one's pretty simple, isn't it? Pretty goofy. Okay, all righty.
The couch is comfortable. Couch means the same as cushion, sofa.
Yeah, and we had this before, but they just switched the words. Okay, before we had to choose the word couch because sofa was in the sentence.
After school, Maddie calls her friend to chat. Chat means the same as talk, yell.
Yeah, I'm just going to chat, talk. Okay, after school, Maddie calls her friend to talk. And what was talk? Chat.
Sammy helps Mom wash the towels. Wash means the same as fold, launder.
Okay, before we had wash when we were talking about hair, and that was shampoo. But wash when we're talking about towels is launder. Think of it this way. Towels are dirty. We put them in the laundry. So we're going to launder or wash the towels. So launder and wash.
Jarius likes to make believe he is a superhero. Make believe means the same as deny, pretend.
Yeah, he's pretending.
Skiing is fun. Fun means the same as dangerous, enjoyable.
Enjoyable. So we had when you like something, you enjoy it. When you're having some fun, or fun is enjoyable.
Gabe thinks it is fun to hang from the monkey bars.
So
Hang means the same as dangle, flip.
So he's probably enjoying this because it's fun. And he's not flipping, he's dangling. Think about ladies that wear, and I'm not one of them, but wear big dangly earrings. They just hang and dangle.
Watch out! That ape is angry. Angry means the same as yelling, mad.
Okay, you can be angry, but still you might not be yelling. You might be so angry you're just not saying anything. Angry and mad are synonyms. Okay, we had this turned around where construct was a word down below.
Maggie tries to construct a tower with blocks.
Okay,
Construct means the same as build, destroy.
okay, if she's constructing something, she is building it.
Mom loves to cut the grass. Cut means the same as rake, mow.
Okay, well, she's not raking it, is she? There's no rake. It has to be mow, mow and cut. Okay,
Wendy shampoos her hair. Shampoos means the same as cuts, washes.
yeah, and the picture pretty well gives this away. Shampoo is washes. Yeah. Okay, I guess I'm reading this one. I love the scent of fresh flowers. Our choices are look and smell. Well, are they just looking? What else are they doing? Looks like they're going. So a scent must be a smell.
The car goes fast. Car means the same as driver, automobile.
Okay. I've talked to you guys before and said car is a kind of vehicle, but a synonym for the word car is actually automobile.
Jack is a good chef. Chef means the same as father, cook.
Yeah, the picture sort of gives it away. Looks like he's a cook.
The clown acts goofy. Goofy means the same as sad, silly.
Well, clown doesn't look sad. I think the clown is silly, goofy. Okay.
Sammy helps Mom launder the towels. Launder means the same as wash, sort.
Remember what you do? You launder the laundry. It means you're gonna wash it. Okay, we just had the turnaround of this one. I love the smell of fresh flowers. Is it cost or scent? Yep, smell meant scent. I like to rest on the beach. Your choices are suntan or relax. Yeah, you might be getting a suntan, but when you rest, you relax. Okay,
Lena can purchase a drink from Joe.
from Joni.
Purchase means the same as take, buy.
Okay, can't just take it. You gotta purchase it. You gotta buy it.
Manuel enjoys the flavor of a juicy apple. Flavor means the same as taste, peel.
Okay, taste. Oh, this is the one with the word I like to say. I guess I get to because they're not going to read it. I will. Have you ever seen such a filthy pig? Does that mean dirty or lazy? Yeah, it means dirty.
The family takes a walk in the afternoon. Walk means the same as stroll, jog.
Well, take a look at the picture. Don't think they're jogging. So it must be the other one. The family takes a stroll. Okay.
Leaving Grandma's house makes Courtney cry. Cry means the same as weep, sad.
Okay, cry was the same as weep.
Gabe thinks it is fun to dangle from the monkey bars. Dangle means the same as drop, hang.
Remember what I talked about? Dangly earrings? They hang. Okay.
Mom loves to mow the grass. Mow means the same as water, cut.
Okay. Cut and mow.
Mom takes a photo of me. Photo means the same as camera, picture.
Okay, she's got a camera, but we can't say Mom takes a camera of me. So a photo and a picture are the same. Oh, there we go.
Mom takes a picture of me. Picture means the same as look. Photo.
There it is, photo. They just switched them. Okay, this might be where we started, but we'll see just a second.
This present is for you. Present means the same as gift, toy.
Well, we don't know what's in there. Oh, the other one we had like this said that it was said this gift is for you, and it was present or box. So we know that a present is a gift.
Jack is a good cook. Cook means the same as chef, man.
Chef.
The family takes a stroll in the afternoon. Stroll means the same as walk, sidewalk.
Okay, and if you remember, we said stroll was walk.
The infant learns to crawl by herself. Infant means the same as baby, girl.
It's baby. Okay, the automobile goes fast. Is it the same as race or car? Yeah, car and automobile are synonyms.
Watch out! That ape is mad. Mad means the same.
Oh,
Angry. Loud.
okay, does it mean that mad is the same as angry or loud? When you're mad, you might be loud, but that's not a synonym. Angry is.
She is feeling ill. Ill means the same as sick, silly.
Sick. Oh, pretty easy when they give it to us in a row, huh?
She is feeling sick. Sick means the same as hot, ill.
Ill. The ice cream is delicious. Does that mean the same as yummy or melting? Yummy.
Jarius likes to pretend he is a superhero. Pretend means as make believe. Say.
If you pretend, yeah, you make believe. Okay.
The clothes are in a pile. Pile means the same as heap, box.
Okay. Remember, it was a heap.
Skiing is enjoyable. Enjoyable means the same as fun, expensive.
Enjoyable means fun. Okay, I think we're back to the beginning because we started out with this one. So, how'd it go? Yeah, and we've had some before, and you might have learned some new ones. So, I hope that you had an enjoyable time doing synonyms with me. I think synonyms are fun. See you later.